Hey, what's going on, guys? I am back. I'm going through the airport right now. I didn't film anything leading up to this. I'm on my way to New Brunswick. Right now I'm in the Kamloops airport. Just got through security waiting for my flight, and then I'm on my way to Calgary. Whoop-de-doo.
Hour 3 minutes and are cruising out to 21,000 feet. The main cabin door bring now.
Alrighty, I've landed in Calgary. I haven't filmed much, really. It's not much to film. The plane was dark and stuff. I'm flying at night. It is like 11 or 10, one of the two. Lost track, really. Then my flight leaves 1 in the morning, so I'm on my way to my gate right now to find it and get my shit settled. And then I'll be hanging out, doing some things. Food, I guess. I'm hungry. Love walking on these things and also just standing still. Walking on them, you feel like the fucking Flash, I swear. Just standing still is great too. Almost lost my balance. Rebellious. That's right. Okay. C50. My gate is C52. I am heading in the right way. The big C.
354 to Ottawa. All customers should now be on board through gate C55.
We out here vlogging and Snapchatting. Nick, Sam, say hi to the vlog. Okay, this isn't even where my next flight is. I'm just chilling at this gate because there's like nobody here. I'm debating on buying snacks and food and shit, but it's like ridiculously expensive. Some airports, they get you every time, man. Every time. I'd just like to say, look at how damn amused I am. So happy. Okay, we're out here. We're gonna go get some snacks. It's gonna be a good time. Hadron from Sam. What a cutie. So, we out here getting that snack haul grind on right now. It only cost me $25, by the way. I got some beef jerky and some Pringles and Powerade and some jelly beans. It cost me like $15 at 7-Eleven. Ridiculous. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Okay, so right now I'm just chilling. I'm gonna go to my gate and find a plug-in so I can charge my shit. I still have like 2 hours till my flight though. Ridiculous, man. Can't handle all this flying business. I need somebody here. Where's Nick? Where's Sam? Where's Grace? None of them. None of them. All alone. Ridiculous. This man's out here just being savage. I've seen him reverse like 5 of these things in here now. Like, oh, he was cooking too. Like speed, man, speed.
Gerard Byrne. Please your aircraft is fully. Gerard Byrne. Agent.
Okay, so I just got on the plane and the audio was too loud from the plane to actually hear my voice because I was quiet and shy. So what I was saying here is I sat alone on both flights now with the 3 seats on this big plane, and we got this awesome TV that I can watch movies on, and it's sick. Okay, their movie selection is stacked. got it all in Toronto. Okay, I've made it to my home, away from home, And it's Toronto Airport. I've spent too much free time here. It's ridiculous. It's super bright out. It's like 6 in the morning here or something, so like 3 in the morning my time right now. It's ridiculous. Can't even fathom it. I'm just waiting to board. I didn't film much at all because I had a nap. Because I was so tired. It wasn't even a good nap. It was on the floor, and I feel like asshole. It's good stuff. I'm gonna board the plane now. Hopefully I get a loan again. That'd be cool. 3 flights and a loan following. There's stuff on my lens. I'm so tired. I can't wait to get to New Brunswick and just sleep. I was chilling by the fire thing because there's a plug-in right there. And I charge my phone. And yes, I keep looking up at me up here, but I need to look right here. My eyes are really green right now. Alrighty, I made it to New Brunswick. That's my little brother. Say hi.
Hi.
We're just gonna go home now. I might film a little bit more. The flight was pretty good. It was pretty cloudy and stuff like that. Creeping on me, aren't you? Look at you. Oh god, I miss this kid.
One eternity later.
Holy cow, is traffic busy today. Okay, update on everything. I made it, obviously. I didn't really film much after that. It's been a couple days. You know, just been relaxing, enjoying the family life. Haven't seen them since Easter, so you know, wanted to visit with them and stuff. It is so busy in Sussex today. Everybody's staring at me because this is like the quietest little town ever. And they do not understand what this shiznit I'm doing is. Right now, yeah, I'm going the right place. Okay, just wanted to make sure I wasn't lost. Look at the river. Little town, nice little bridge. You know, nice little river action. Yeah, let's get a move on here. Some of the patches in the sidewalk here can be really rough. Like this. Oh, that sucked. Oh, shit. Okay, we're good. My stepmom works at a donut factory, and I am uber excited for donuts. Yes, I just about fell on my skateboard there. I hit a rock while pushing at the same time. It was good. It was good. Oh, some shade finally. Nice. Loving it. Everyone's staring at me. All the old people. They're all confused. Like, what's that kid doing staring at his camera talking to himself? You know, even though not a lot of people watch these videos, I have a hell of a lot of fun making them. It is, I actually like taking a break for a couple days and then filming this. I didn't realize how much fun I had making these, you know? There's no watch. Haha! I beat them here. My dad is not here yet. I'm gonna go inside, maybe get a coffee. No, it's too hot for coffee. Maybe we'll get some donuts. I don't know. I need money. I'm just waiting. My dad's here. Just enjoying some Wi-Fi because my dad doesn't have Wi-Fi. So, you know, just enjoying some public Wi-Fi, waiting for stepmom to get off work. Alrighty guys, day number 2 of me vlogging. There's not gonna be much before the place we're going to. I'm hiking with my dad and my little brother up to some waterfalls. Hope you enjoy it. Found the waterfall. Alright, I'm up on this high ledge here doing some filming. Let's get my ass down. Let's get down safely here. Oh, branches. I gotta watch where I'm going. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. Oh, this is beautiful. It's dope. It's dope. You're not gonna be able to hear me very much, but it's a sweet spot. Getting some nice editing in here. You know, you're gonna see all that before you see this, but you know, getting some nice cinematic shots. Climbing up as high as I can go right now. I'm gonna get some good shots on the way back down too. Just gonna go on an adventure. Okay, so those big rocks right there, I wanna get up to them. But the only way up to them, because this is all pool, like I could probably climb that, but definitely could maybe do that. But like this, we're about to do some freaking put my gaming skills to a test here. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. Okay, that one's not sturdy. I only got a couple more to go. That one ain't sturdy either. Big one. That one. Okay, now that one is gonna be a biznatch. I'm gonna turn off the camera now. Just keeps going, it gets more and more beautiful. Woo! I love this. I think this is cool. This is what I like. I may look like a city kid, may have been born and raised in friggin', you know, the West Coast, but like, city kid on the West Coast, that is. But this is my favorite stuff. The earth is a beautiful place. Wherever you're watching from, right now, from wherever you're watching, I want you to look up some cool outdoor things that you can do and go explore them and enjoy the nature and the beauty of it. Because lately in technology we get too wrapped up with everything and we need to explore more.
A few inches later.
Alrighty guys, how's it going? Just got back from the falls. Just kidding. No, I didn't. It's like 2 days later. I don't know. I'm liking kicking back and just enjoying the farm life, you know? Got my Jamaica shirt on. Don't worry about the fence. I'm gonna go see the goats. Just doing some gardening with my dad. Yes, I was gardening. That is lame as shit. But that's fine. That's fine. Don't run away from me. Where are you going? Freaking chickens. There's some chickens. These are my goats. Shh. Excuse me. They never shut up, do they, Bella? Do they, Bella Belly? No, they don't. They never shut up. Nope. Nope. The other pigs were way better. These are my goats. I love them. This is Sadie. Shut up! Shut it! Pigs are yelling at me because they're hungry and I haven't fed them yet. 2 days till Sam, Nick, and Grace get here. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? You want So yeah, it's 2 days till Sam, Nick, and Grace get here. Jesus, Maggie. Then the vlogs are gonna get super cool. Ignore my forehead acne. Busting Jeeber up in here. I'm gonna end off this first one. This is gonna be a 3-part video. I'm gonna do 3 vlogs, 2 while they're here, and then just finishing off this one now. This one wasn't the most entertaining, but it had a lot of cool stuff in it. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through.